Drone enthusiasts rejoice. Leaked images and specs of the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro have surfaced, offering a tantalizing glimpse at what could be DJI's most advanced ultralight drone yet. Magnifying glass tilted left. First look, design and features. A render shared on the Drone Hacks Discord channel appears to show the Mini 5 Pro's design, which closely resembles its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. However, there are some notable upgrades. Larger camera module for enhanced image quality. Dual forward-facing LiDAR sensors for improved obstacle detection. Refined build that maintains the sleek, foldable form factor. If accurate, this would mark the first time LiDAR technology appears in DJI's Mini series, previously seen only in higher-end models like the Mavic 4 Pro and Air 3S. This could be a game-changer for low-light flying and precision autofocus. Package leaked specs. What's inside the box? According to packaging leaks shared by Jasper Ellens and Drone XL, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might pack some serious upgrades. Feature Mini 5 Pro Mini 4 Pro. Image sensor 1-inch CMOS 1/1.3-inch CMOS. Video resolution 4K at 120 frames per second, 4K at 100 frames per second. Telephoto mode 48mm Med-Tele lossless crop not available. Flight time 36 minutes, standard battery 34 minutes, standard, 45 minutes, plus battery. These enhancements suggest DJI is pushing the boundaries of what a compact drone can do, especially for creators who want cinematic footage without the bulk. Balance scale. The weight debate, still under 249 g? One curious omission from the leaked packaging is the usual 249 g label. That's a big deal. In many regions like the US and UK, drones under 250 g enjoy relaxed flying regulations, making them ideal for casual and professional users alike. Could the Mini 5 Pro's upgraded tech, larger sensor, LiDAR, new motors, have nudged it over the weight limit? It's possible but unlikely. DJI has built the Mini series around portability and regulation-friendly specs, so exceeding that threshold would be a surprising move. Hourglass not undelayed launch. When can we expect it? The Mini 5 Pro was previously rumored to launch on August 7th, but recent leaks suggest a delay. While there's no confirmed release date yet, the buzz around these leaks indicates DJI is gearing up for something big. Brain final thoughts. If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the most powerful compact drone yet, perfect for creators, travelers, and drone hobbyists who want pro-level features in a pocket-sized package. The only question left is, will it stay under the magic 249 g mark?